Yeah, I don't like them crawling around on me.
That's weird, Donnie.
Yeah, like I said, I've never really seen this part of it where they're
I might drink one.
one of the things. I wonder if they're over here in this stage.
Where's Megan?
Brood X Cicadas coming out of the ground after 17 years. Soon.
Yeah, they seem to all be around this damn tree. I feel like they're crawling in my pants and everything else now. I hate it.
Soon they're going to be nice gold empty shells and they're going to be extremely loud.
Oh yeah.
Then after 17 more years, they'll come back. Oh, here's one. Here's one. There's a couple more up here of the empty shells.
Oh yeah, yeah.
See? These guys are gonna go. These guys are gonna break out their shells, like this one, and then they're gonna be really big and black and make a lot of noise.
You see them here on the ground? Look at them. They're coming up.
They're coming up from the ground. See, here's one. Another one. Crawling up. More and more.
Oh yeah, they're all up through here.
None on me. Oh, I got two on my shoe.
Yeah, I'm
See?
walking on them
Move.
over here. Yeah, I don't like it.
They're harmless. They won't bite you. Really cool.